Alright, so that last video we started off our peyote stitch rounding thing. This is how we begin. 12 beads, right around circle, and you can see where I left off. Alright, let's start. So you grab one bead, and then where that starts, I skip one from here. So where this stretches out, you skip one bead. Skip one bead, you toss it in. And that's how it looks when you start off your first one. Don't worry, it'll start getting nicer. Okay, now from that, where the rope sticks out, you skip a bead from where the rope sticks out. So where the rope sticks out, you skip a bead, and you just chow it in right there. Okay, here we go. 2 beads. I'll just carry on. So 2 beads. It's just the same way from your start. You just, where the rope sticks out, you skip a bead. The rope sticks out, you skip a bead. I'll show you as I continue. Skip a bead. Skip a bead. Skip a bead. Skip a bead. And when you get to the part where you started, you'll be right beside it. Oh, where the heck's my bead? My pin. Okay, got my pin. So you'll see where I started. This is where I started, and I ended up right beside it. So I'll just add a bead. I won't skip anything, and I'm connecting it to where I started off. So this is the first bead, and I'm just adding a bead to it now. First bead, another one. Go right through it. It tightens anyways. As you keep going, it'll tighten. So you grab a bead, then you'll connect to the next one. And you just keep on going. Bead to the next one. I'll keep going and then I'll show you when I get to the end. Yeah. Okay. And as you keep going, it'll tighten as you keep going. So don't worry about it being loose in the beginning. As you keep going, it'll tighten itself. Okay, so I got a bead ready, and that's where I left off. If you could see closely. So I'm skipping that last bead I started off with. What am I doing here? no. Okay, so I'm connecting it to that last bead. That's what I'm doing. Yes. I'm a little confused because I'm not used to doing this on camera. Okay, so I'll connect this to that bead that where I last left off. So connected it. Then from here I will skip a bead. Then you will also notice what bead you're skipping to, because the bead, it's a little bit looser than the other one. That's the one that you're jumping to. So you're skipping one, then you're going to the next one. Skip a bead, go to the next one. And you just, I'll start up, do another one. So it kind of looks, okay, you skip a bead, you go to the next one. Skip a bead, 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 go to the next one. And there you should have your little whatever. You'll see what bead you're jumping to now, because they always stick out now. So they'll always stick out. So you should just continue. You'll see what bead is sticking out. So from here on now, you'll notice, because that bead is sticking out, so you go to this bead to that hole. And that's be the beginning of peyote stitch. And then my design I'm gonna start with is similar to these colors. It's gonna go dark, light to dark. I'll make another video when I'm continuing and I'll get to my next color. So I'll see you in my next video.